Belfast hosts nearly 1,000 murals, 700 of the classic type, considered sectarian or political, and about 300 that are a new wave of personal street art, though the lines between those categories blur more and more over time. Political murals have a long history in Belfast, but over time have begun to take new forms. Beyond just representing the perspectives of paramilitary groups, murals began to make proxy political statements about various countries across the world, or simply feature major historical, cultural, and sporting figures who are taken to represent the differing cultural groups in Belfast. The mediums used to create the murals also varied more over time, and some take on more abstract and traditionally artistic approaches to sharing their political messages. This transitional process has been sped on by the Arts Council Northern Ireland and other organisations who work to replace violent murals featuring guns and paramilitary fighters with less inflammatory imagery that still aims to present the local culture of the neighbourhood it is featured in. The Hit the North Street Art Festival has also spurred on personal art creation in the city. This art is considered separate from the political murals Belfast is famous for, but can be political itself. There is a conscious push in much of the new street art to question the Troubles and feature the previously obscured perspectives of women and people of colour in the city. Overall, the street art of modern-day Belfast could be seen as a direct response to the history of murals, a representation of the growing sentiment in Northern Ireland that there can be a future entirely separate from a sectarian divide. Both murals and street art can be seen on various walking and black taxi tours available in the city, if you want to take a deep dive into the history and art of Belfast yourself.